What is up, guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I got on Amazon. It is basically, you can see over here, headphones, okay, wireless earbuds, okay, and the company is Ownta, OWNTA, okay, and I got it on Amazon for around $19, so it is, on the lower on the cheaper end of the spectrum in terms of wireless Bluetooth headphones. So you can see on my channel I reviewed a couple other ones, and some go up to like $40. This is definitely on the lower end. Alright, so you can see it here, simple boxing. I did get the white ones, even though the picture shows black, but it is white. It says white selected here, and then they have two options. 700 mAh battery or the 300. On as far as I can remember, they only had this option available. They don't have a 300 option available, and as well as color options, they only had white available. So I don't know, maybe they had it in stock somewhere else, but not on Amazon. So yeah, let's go open it and let's see. So you can see, fairly simple box here. You got the case, you got this, what is this, micro USB wire, typical, and you got some extra earbuds. So this is the case, and this is the earbud. So I guess you would have to attach one on, and let's see. This is basically how it charges. So you can tell that it is kind of cheaply made, right, in the sense that the light is showing through the plastic, right, and just the feel of it, you can tell it's a more of a low budget option than a better end one. So this is it. This is only one earbud. I got a request to try it out, right, so that's why. Otherwise I would have never probably purchased this on my own. But yeah, I'm gonna just try it out and see. So this is really unusual on the way that this attaches. You kind of just put it on like a glove. So let me focus in here a little. So you can see over here, it kind of just puts on top like a glove, right? It's not really there's no exact fitting. And when you put it in your ear, it does stay well in your ear. It's not like, I don't see it about to fall off or anything. But yeah, overall, this is kind of cheaply made. It depends on your use. It's only one available, right? It's not like a typical headset where you have two. And overall, if this is what you're looking for, it might be it. But in my opinion, not really. Not most people are looking for this. Okay, especially since it's one earbud. It is Bluetooth 4.2, right? It works with multiple different, probably any device that has Bluetooth, so Android, iPhone, or anything. And the thing that I don't really understand is, since there's only one, the case doesn't really have to be this big. It can be, at least half the size. That's one thing, because you can get, this is the original size, or even smaller, with two earbuds, but this is only one, so it's kind of weird that they would still make it this size. But yeah, overall, I got this on Amazon. If you guys are into checking it out or maybe even purchasing it, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It is $18 on Amazon. And yeah, if you guys like this video or have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Oh, and one last thing, I did connect it to my phone. Connection seemed to work fine. The quality is alright also, no issues with that. And yeah, overall, it's just kind of feels cheap. Not really sure how long it'll last. I didn't have it for that long. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them down in the description below. I'd love to help you guys out. And yeah, if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.